Black Lives Matter. Loot. Korean-owned shops in Koreatown were looted. Riot. It's mostly young people that are rioting. Go hand in hand. Rioting and looting go hand in hand. Poverty and poor health go hand in hand. School and homework go hand in hand. Curfew. Americans who live in LA were informed of a curfew. Carrier. Anyone with a cell phone from an American carrier was informed of the curfews. Who's your carrier? The last straw. The straw that broke the camel's back. Perseverance. How do you have so patience? He has the patience of a saint.